sawandi Dipano pachinso cheno pamulyango Dipano pachinso cheno Witata wandi Ndemita Ifibi faisalwa Isuleni I have waited, I have prayed, I have knocked again and again. Some doors closed, some people left, but I still believe you are not done yet. Open the door, Lord, Isuleni Ifibi. What no man can open, well, some Isuleni. Open the door, Lord, Isuleni Ifibi. Where they said no, mwetata say yes. Nga inshila yakwa, pangeni inshila. Ka Ifibi faisalwa, Isuleni Ifibi. Ka umutima walema, munsende mwelesa. Gama kayapwa, munsunge mwetata. I need a breakthrough, mwelesa wandi. I need an answer, mwetata wandi. I need direction, mulungu wanga. I need your favor, ambuye wanga. Open the door, Lord, Isuleni Ifibi. What no man can open, mwelesa Isuleni. Open the door, Lord, Isuleni Ifibi. Where they said no, mwetata say yes. Closed doors in my job, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my business, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my paper, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my marriage, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my destiny, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my family, open them, Lord. What was delayed, release it, Lord. What was blocked, open it, Lord. Isuleni, Isuleni Ifibi faisalwa. Isuleni, Isuleni mwelesa wandi. Isuleni, Isuleni Ifibi faisalwa. Open the door, Lord, mwetata wandi. Banati palibe njira, koma inundi mwenjira. Batile nshila yakwa, lelo imwe misula. Banati zata zonse, koma inumula yanga. Batile tafyaka chitika, lelo imwe mwalichita. When they said no, you can say yes. When they shut the door, you can open it. When they forget my name, you remember me. When they push me aside, you lift me again. Open the door, Lord, Isuleni Ifibi. What no man can open, mwelesa Isuleni. Open the door, Lord, Isuleni Ifibi. Where they said no, mwetata say yes. Mwelesa wa mapalo, mwelesa wa maka, mwelesa wa luse, mwelesa wa gumi, mshakwata umbi, kano imwefye. Mshakwata umbi, uwakwa foine. Singilindi wina, koma inunoka. sindilindi mphamvu ndithandizeni. Open, open, open the door. Isuleni Ifibi, mwelesa wandi, mwelesa mwisule. Open, open the door. Isuleni Ifibi, where they said no, mwetata say yes. Ifibi face sawa, Isuleni mwelesa wandi, Isuleni. I believe you even while I wait. I trust you even when it is late. I know you hear me, I know you see me. I know you are working even now. The door is opening by your power. The way is opening by your hand. My season is changing by your mercy. My answer is coming in your name. Open the door, Lord, Lord. Isuleni Ifibi, what no man can open. Mwelesa mwisule. Open the door, Lord, Lord. Isuleni Ifibi, where they say no, mwetata say yes. Isuleni mwelesa udwa, mwetata ulagi. Open the door, Lord, mwelesa wandi, mwelesa wandi, mwelesa wandi. Open the door, Lord, mwelesa wandi. Mwelesa wandi, dipano pa chinso chenu. Pamulyangu, dipano pa chinso chenu. Mwetata wandi, ndemita. Ifibi fya isalwa, mwisule. I have waited, I have prayed, I have knocked again and again. Some doors closed, some people left, but I still believe you are not done yet. Open the door, Lord, Isuleni Ifibi, what no man can open, mwelesa mwisule. Open the door, Lord, Isuleni Ifibi, where they said no, matata say yes. Gain shila yapa, pangeni shila. Gai Ifibi fya isalwa, Isuleni Ifibi. Ga umutima walema, munsende mwelesa. Ga makayapwa, munsunge mwetata. I need a breakthrough, mwelesa wandi. I need an answer, mwetata wandi. I need direction, mulungu wanga. I need your favor, mwelesa mwisu. Open the door, Lord. Isuleni Ifibi, where they say no, mutata, say yeah. Closed doors in my job, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my business, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my papers, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my marriage, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my destiny, open them, Lord. Closed doors in my family, open them, Lord. What was delayed, release it, Lord. What was blocked, open it, Lord. Isuleni, Isuleni Ifibi fya isalwa. Isuleni, Isuleni mwelesa wandi. Isuleni, Isuleni Ifibi fya isalwa. Open the door, Lord, mwetata wandi. Lanati pali benjira, koma enundi mwenjira. Batile inshila yapwa, lelo imwe mwisula. Banati zata zonse, koma inumula yanka. Batile tafyaka sitika, lelo imwe malisita. When they say no, you can say yes. When they shut the door, you can open it. When they forget my name, you remember me. When they push me aside, you lift me again. Open the door, Lord. Isuleni Ifibi, what no man can open, mwelesa mwisule. Open the door, Lord. Isuleni Ifibi, where they say no, mwetata, say yeah. Mwelesa wa mapalo, mwelesa wa maka, mwelesa wa luse, mwelesa wa bumi. Nshakwata umbi, kanu imwefye. Nshakwata umbi, uwakwafaine. Sindilindi wina, koma inunoka. Sindilindi mpamvu, ndithandizeni. Open the door, open the door. Isuleni, Isuleni mwelesa wandi. Open, open, open the door. What no man can open, mwelesa misule. Open the door, Lord. Isuleni Ifibi, what no man can open, mwelesa wisu.